There's a great website called photofunia.com. I'll put a link to it in the video description below. It's completely free. As you can see here, I'm not even signed in. And I'm on the photography section where there's 37 different filters and cool effects that you can use completely for free. So I'm going to highlight 3 of them in this video, but of course there's many, many more. And so I would encourage you to get in here and have some fun with it. The first effect that I really like is the vintage photo effect. You basically upload a photo. So I'm just going to pick this choose photo button right here. And then you have the option to upload, or you can even use your own camera. I'm just going to upload from my PC. And I'm uploading a picture of a female model. Now I have the option to crop it. I could move it in a little bit like that, for example, and I'll click crop. And then I just click the go button right here. And we can see the result is pretty striking. We've gone from a modern day photo to an old-timey vintage photo. I think that looks really cool. To download, it's pretty easy to do. You can download it right here at the top or down at the bottom. You can also download a large size, small size, or a regular size. Another popular effect that I like is You Are My Universe. I'm going to click on it right here. Same sort of idea. You can choose a photograph here. So I'm going to click the choose photo button, and then I'm going to upload it from my PC. I get the same option as before. I get an option here to crop my image. So here's my image. I'm happy with the way that looks. I'm just going to click the crop button, even though I haven't made any changes. And then I'll click the go button. Now, I do want to point out there's some different textures that you can implement down below. So you can take your pick. I'm going to pick the one on the far right, and I'll click go. And as we can see, that looks really neat. If you're making an album cover or a book cover or even just a social media post, if you'd like something striking, this is a very easy and free way to do it. To download down at the bottom, large, regular, or small. This third one's pretty cool too. It's a photo booth option, and you can pick up to 4 photos. So you just need to upload the photos one at a time. Again, you'll get an option to crop. If you're happy with the way it looks, just simply hit the crop button. I'm going to pick another photo here, upload from my PC. And of course, depending on the size of the photo, that will affect the length of time it takes to upload from your computer. All right, so I've got my 4 photographs uploaded, and then I can pick my style here. I'm going to pick the one on the left, for example, and now I'll simply click go. And we can see here we have a result like a photo booth photo. How cool is that? And then you can download this as one singular JPEG file, clicking right here. There's lots to see and do inside of Photofunia. I haven't even logged in. It's completely free. You'll see on the left-hand side a ton of different effects. And of course, there's all effects here sitting in the middle, which you can clearly see. It's a ton of fun. Check it out today.